So Google Chromecast has developer options, same as any Android phone. And to get to developer options, you'd go over to settings, find your cursor over the cogwheel, you go down and you go to system, go down. Ambient mode's pretty cool. You can use your TV as a digital photo frame. I've already enabled developer options, but if you didn't, you would go to About, and you would go down to Android TV OS build, click it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I think it's 7 times. You can click it until you see no need, you're already in developer mode. I'm already in developer mode, but if you click it 7 times in a row, you'll see the prompt down below saying that you are in developer mode. And in developer mode, I'm not too sure what you can do on the Chromecast, but I know on Android phones you can change the speed of the way the window animation scale is, which greatly increases the speed of your Google Chromecast. Yeah, so I hope this helps.